Greetings. How to master family reunion costs, tips and tricks. In the first part of this captivating video, we dive headfirst into the expenses of planning a family reunion. But that's not all. Stick around for the second part, where we unveil the secrets to setting a fair registration cost, ensuring everyone can join in on the fun without breaking the bank. I'm Carl from GettingToTheRoots.com. Welcome to my vibrant YouTube channel, where the magic of family unfolds. Join me on an exciting journey into the realm of planning unforgettable family reunions, covering everything you need to know from start to finish. Let's dive in. If you find this video helpful, please support us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and commenting below. After viewing the John Royal family's video titled 2018 John's Family Reunion Cost Breakdown, I felt compelled to create my video series called Proven Strategies: How to Organize the Ultimate Family Reunion. Step 8. Hey there, party planners. Planning a family reunion involves a multitude of details, and one of the most important considerations is calculating the total cost of the event. By accurately estimating expenses, you can create a realistic budget and ensure a successful and memorable gathering for everyone involved. Keep in mind that the total cost will vary depending on the duration and scale of your event. Here are some important factors to consider when estimating expenses. Assess the scope of your reunion. Begin by determining the scale and duration of your family reunion. Consider the number of attendees, the length of the event, and the activities you plan to include. This initial assessment will provide a foundation for estimating expenses accurately. Identify expense categories. Food and condiments. Calculate the expenses for meals, snacks, beverages, and any special dietary considerations. Entertainment. Determine the cost of entertainment options such as performers, activities, and equipment rentals. Remember to include a cleanup fee in your calculations. Menu and facilities. Factor in the cost of venue rentals, any additional services or amenities, and necessary permits. Research and estimate costs. Conduct thorough research to estimate the costs associated with each expense category. Photography. If you want to capture beautiful memories, consider the cost of hiring a professional photographer or videographer. DJ or music. If you're planning to have music or a DJ to keep the celebration lively. Find expert tips, resources, and the ultimate playlist for the perfect gathering at GettingToTheRoots.com, or click the link below. Decorations and supplies. Account for the cost of decorations, party supplies, personalized items, and any thematic elements. Miscellaneous expenses. Allocate a contingency fund for unexpected or unplanned expenses that may arise during the planning process. Budgeting for custom T-shirts. T-shirts. Don't forget the tradition of custom T-shirts. It's a major tradition that adds a special touch to the event. You have the flexibility to incorporate the T-shirt cost into your reunion budget or opt for a separate fee. Both approaches are acceptable and entirely up to you. Research vendors, compare prices, and take advantage of discounts to find quality options. Bonus tip. Generate revenue to help offset the reunion cost by selling T-shirts at a price above their production cost. Souvenirs. When planning your family reunion, don't forget to allocate a portion of your budget for souvenirs or gift bags. These thoughtful tokens will not only serve as mementos but also enhance the overall experience for your family members. Here are some fantastic suggestions to consider. Photo frames, family recipe booklet, personalized keychains, custom water bottles, family tree magnets, and personalized notepads. For more ideas, visit gettingtotheroots.com. Let's create lasting memories together. Identify expense categories. Seek quotes from vendors, venues, caterers, transportation providers, and other relevant service providers. Take into account factors such as location, seasonality, and any specific requirements unique to your reunion. Calculate the total cost. Add up the estimated expenses from each category to determine the total cost of your family reunion. Be meticulous in your calculations to ensure accuracy and include any additional fees or taxes that may apply. Allocate the cost. Once you have the total cost, decide how to allocate the expenses. Determine if you will divide the cost equally among attendees, or consider alternative approaches based on family dynamics, such as assigning different responsibilities to different branches or generations. Also, communicate the payment structure clearly to all participants. Base the total cost of the reunion on the total number of your attendees. Remember to keep track of your expenses and account for contingencies. With proper financial planning, your family reunion will be a memorable and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. Look no further for your family reunion essentials. My top recommendations for stores are Amazon, Walmart, and Sam's Club. And when it comes to catering and entertainment, be sure to check out Thumbtack for all your needs. Don't forget to explore the description below for my affiliate links. And here's the best part: when you make a purchase through these links, it assists me in producing additional instructional videos on various family topics and offering exclusive downloadable forms at no cost. Rest assured, there is never an extra cost to you. Click the links to show your support and access valuable content and resources. Step 9. End of series. How to set a fair registration fee for family gatherings. Find out the secrets to accurately calculating a registration fee that covers all expenses and allows for a remarkable gathering. Hey there, fabulous family reunion organizers. Determining the registration fees for your family reunion is an essential aspect of event planning. By properly calculating these fees, you can ensure that the total cost of the reunion is covered with little or no cost to you, while providing attendees with a fair and reasonable pricing structure. Determine the total cost of the reunion before calculating the registration fee. Determine the total cost of the reunion by adding up all the estimated expenses from various categories, such as accommodations, food, entertainment, venue and equipment rentals, transportation, and miscellaneous expenses. This comprehensive understanding of the overall cost will serve as the foundation for calculating individual registration fees. Take into account the number of family members who will be attending the reunion. It's important to consider all the details when calculating your fees. Whether you prefer a flat fee, or a per day, or per event approach, with separate charges for activities, the choice is up to you. Determine the fee structure. Decide on the fee structure based on your specific requirements. You may opt for a flat fee for all attendees, or differentiate fees based on age groups, such as children, youth, adults, and seniors. Consider additional expenses. Factor in any additional expenses or fees that may arise during the planning process. These can include unforeseen costs, special activities, or exclusive services that require separate charges. Divide the total cost of the reunion by the number of attendees to determine the base registration fee per person. For example, if the total cost is $10,000 and you have 125 attendees, the base fee would be $80, $10,000 divided by 125. Communicate clearly. Keep in mind any special considerations or discounts that you may want to apply. Provide a breakdown of the costs covered by the registration fee and any optional activities or services that require additional payment. Transparency in your communication will help attendees understand the value they receive for their registration fee. Calculating registration fees for your family reunion requires careful consideration of the total cost, the number of attendees, and additional expenses. By following the step-by-step guide outlined above, you can determine fair and appropriate registration fees that cover the event's expenses, while offering attendees a reasonable pricing structure. As a special offer for my first 100 subscribers, I'm providing 15 minutes of free coaching. Just comment, "I'm in," to claim your free session. Together, we'll make your family gathering truly memorable. Whenever you find yourself in need of personalized guidance, simply hop on over to gettingtotheroots.com. You will discover a wealth of resources and information to assist you. Additionally, if you'd like to take things a step further, you can even schedule a coaching session. Just click the link provided in the description below. We're here to support you every step of the way. Due to high demand, we're excited to announce a bonus video introducing a legacy of love, how to plan a memorable Black family reunion, featuring captivating ideas for themes, activities, games, itineraries, and heartfelt reunion songs. Don't miss out on this invaluable resource. Make sure to watch the bonus video for a truly unforgettable experience. Thank you for watching our video, How to Master Family Reunion Costs, Tips and Tricks. Peace and love. See you in the next video.